Example 1. Evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. 2y plus 1 for y equals negative 3. So in this problem what we have to do is find what y is equal to. In this case it's negative 3. And then we have to substitute that negative 3 every time we see a y. 2y means 2 times y, so I'm going to rewrite that. 2 times negative 3 plus 1. Order of operations say we have to multiply first, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 1. The signs are different, so we subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5, but we have to keep the sign of the larger number, so it's going to be a negative, and we get negative 5. So 2y plus 1, where y equals negative 3, is equal to negative 5. Example 2. Evaluate each expression for the given values of the variables. 4r minus 6p for r equals 3 and p equals 5. So in this case r is equal to 3 and p is equal to 5. So every time we see an r we're going to plug in 3, and every time we see a p we're going to plug in 5. So when I rewrite this expression I get 4 times 3 minus 6 times 5. Order of operations says I have to multiply first, so 4 times 3 is 12, and 6 times 5 is 30, but I got to remember to bring my subtraction sign down. 12 minus 30, the signs are different, so I subtract. 30 minus 12 is 18, but I have to keep the sign of the larger number, which is 30, so it's going to be negative 18. So 4r minus 6p, where r equals 3 and p equals 5, is equal to negative 18. Simplifying algebraic expressions. The expression of x plus y times z will use the order of operations to solve. If x is equal to blank, and y is equal to blank, and z is equal to blank, then blank plus blank times blank. You should do blank first. So in the first two blanks, you're going to put in numbers for x, y, and z. And in the next three blanks, you're going to substitute those numbers into the equation x plus y times z. In the last blank, you should tell me what operation you should use first in the order of operations to solve this expression. Sentence frame 2, the expression of x minus y plus z will use the order of operations to solve. If x is equal to blank, and y is equal to blank, and z is equal to blank, then blank minus blank plus blank. You should blank first. Again, you're going to put in numbers for x, y, and z in the first three blanks, and then you're going to substitute them into the expression x minus y plus z in the next three blanks. And then using the order of operations, what should you do first goes in the last blank.